Everyone and welcome to Virtual Avurudu, hosted by Gateway College together with the workshop players and Soul Sounds Academy, supported by Sri Lanka Telecom and Mobitel. As we are all aware, Avurudu is not going to be the same this year because of the current situation that is affecting not only Sri Lanka but the entire world. Therefore, we at Gateway plan to have a virtual celebration of Avurudu where children will be able to take part in a variety of performances. Events will be organized in the categories of music, dance, theatre, games, and other activities such as selecting the Avurudu Kumari, Avurudu Kumaria, the best laugh or the funniest laugh, and the fancy dress competition. So join us, showcase your talents by uploading your performances. The competition is open to all children in Sri Lanka and Sri Lankan children the world over. Let's try and bring the spirit of Sinhala and Tamil New Year through this unique virtual celebration.